I am so sorry to be late. To be quite frank, it was a whirlwind to decide between white or cream. How'd I do? Oh, how I miss your face. You've always had the kindest smile. Oh, yes? You go ahead. I would like a black coffee, a tall glass of water, and a gin and tonic. What? Mary, you're in Hollywood. It's all right to be a little sauced up by noon. Oh, I know. Could you imagine me 10 years ago having a match? I would be in a bar like this with sunglasses like these, being on a or even the screen. My pudgy little self would have been astonished. Oh, I was just thinking of that play the other day. Oh, we looked like big blueberries in those holiday costumes. What were we? 8, 9? Oh, thank you. Oh, yes, I'm ready. Go ahead. Oh, that sounds lovely. A side of the spring salad would be just keen. Oh, I'm just wanting something refreshing is all. And I mean, staying on the lighter side for this new picture wouldn't be too terrible. Oh, really? You think so? Oh, well, I've just been eating clean, walking as much as I can, and to be quite frank, I honestly think this haircut just forms my face better. But enough about me. What about you? Have you done something different to those locks?
But when I cry